What go on, brother?
You remember the blind girl I tell her say, I talk about she pregnant for me.
Yeah.
Alright, you remember me tell her say me take plan B the morning after.
Yeah.
Alright now. Why she call my phone and come tell me about she 3 months pregnant now?
Yeah?
Like me an idiot or something like that.
Come on, man. So you never take a plan B?
Yeah, me take a plan B or either that or the plan B never work.
Aye. Me no know. Wait. So how much you take?
Brother, me take you whole box. The whole box me take, brother. That me I tell you, the whole box, I don't know what shit talk about, brother. Me nah stand for this, brother. The girl I try chop me, brother. And that me I tell you. And it now go so, brother.
Yeah.
Cause if I that she try, me willing to go and marry go take a pregnancy test.
Yeah.
Brother. Because she nah chop me them way, brother. And that me I tell you, man, you. Me I go and marry, go take a pregnancy test.
A man she try chop that. Blind girl.